Hi guys, welcome back to MediQueen. I'm Ariba and I'm a 5th year medical student studying in New Vision University, Tbilisi, Georgia. And today is 28th September 2023 and we are at New Vision University Hospital for our rheumatology practical. And here, as you can see, we are discussing the cases. Thursday, and we came here for our rheumatology practical class. Today we discuss about spondyloarthritis and all the type of arthritis, reactive arthritis, gout. We discuss the cases, and now I'm heading back. So I'll probably meet you in evening, or let's see you tomorrow. So today is 29th September 2020. And I have came up to attend introductory meetup arranged by NQNCs and Surgical Society in the Health Hub building. And here is a glimpse of it. Also, they have this newsletter by students where they publish the research work, and in this we were arranged in certain groups and we discussed questions about different topics. It was interesting one, and yeah.
Not intelligence, as some people believe.
Hi, today is 29th September 2023, Friday, and if you're wondering where I am right now, so I am in the New Vision University Health Club building for the meeting arranged by Incision Society, Incision Club Surgical Society, and this was their introductory meeting in which we just had general introduction and what are their plans. So they basically have this idea about teaching they have this idea of having different seminars related to surgery, and they will be teaching us suturings, and they will be conducting workshops and all those. I'm excited about it, and it would be probably each week, so I just attended it and I'm sitting here to take this intro today.
So these are the different workshops that would be taking place in the coming times, and if you are interested in this kind of workshop and you are a student in Georgia, you might participate in those. I will link down in description about the details.
Introductory meeting, and I'm planning to go back home, and yeah, let's meet you tomorrow.
So hi guys, good morning. Today is 30th September 2023, Saturday, and I am in the New Vision University campus for our clinical pharma lecture, and it's going to be our first lecture. I think I arrived quite early than I was supposed to be, and I see like no one here, but it's going to be exciting day. In the evening I also have my practical in infectious disease college, infectious disease hospital. So yeah, let's see, I'll keep you along.
Rifampicin, chronic use of ethanol, or tobacco smoking with glutamine and sulfapyrazole. Now listen to me. My dears, pretend your patient has deep venous thrombosis, and for this purpose you administer
Hi guys, today is 30th September 2023, Saturday, and we are at the infectious disease hospital, and I'm excited because doctor is now going to take us for clinical rotation in different departments. We are gonna see hepatitis patient, so it would be interesting, and we are just waiting for the doctor to arrive. So yeah, and let's see. I did arrive here a little late because I lost my way in between. Like I got lost in between. Like I don't know. By accident I took a wrong way, and yeah. So let's see how it's gonna go. I'll keep you along.
2 months ago. من یه خمر مریض بودید. خمر مریض بود. What is the field? طالب ونحن طالب. Contrast, yes, contrast and MRI is high.
Guys, good morning. Today is 4th October 2023, Wednesday, and we are at the Infectious Disease Hospital. We just got the chance to see two patients, and both of them had bacterial infection, which was in their legs. So yeah, and now we're discussing the case and patient history, and this is all about today. So hi guys, good morning. Today is 5th October 2023, Thursday, and I am at the New Vision University Hospital for our rheumatology practical class, and I think that I am quite ahead of time. I arrived quite early here than I was supposed to be, so let's see how this day is gonna go. I'm waiting around for my friends and doctor to come, and so yeah. So now we are done with our rheumatology class. Today we discuss about scleroderma, SLE, and what else? And the phospholipid syndrome, and that was it. We discussed the cases, patient history, what diagnosis and tests would be required, and the treatment. And now I'm heading back as usual. So yeah. Hi guys, today is 6th October 2023, Friday, and I came to university for our pharmacology, clinical pharmacology lecture, and we are done with it. Today we learn about drug toxicity and interaction, and now I'll pray, not probably. So now I'll pray, and then I'll go back home because it would be late for me to reach home in time. So yeah. I did it alone and was not able to do it with everybody because my class ended at 1:50 and the prayer turn was 1:30, so I just prayed alone here in our university room, and now I am going back home. In afternoon I have seminars and lectures, so let's just attend it and let's see furthermore. Today is 7 October 2023, Saturday, and I am in the New Vision University campus. I came here for our clinical pharmacology lecture, and I'm done with it. And now they have arranged certain program in Health Hub, so I'm just planning to attend that. And I'm now waiting for my friend. By the way, this is dental campus of New Vision University, ground floor. Here you can study if you wanna study here. Also at the 5th floor there are places. So yeah, let's just wait for her and join the seminar. So I will finish up this vlog here as this is getting prolonged. So see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself, keep studying, keep learning, and bye guys.